Hi, my name is Aakash. I'm a senior experience strategist with IKEA in India, work in the global digital office. I'm by education an industrial designer and now become more of like an experience strategist. I work with IKEA as a senior strategic experience designer and helping them set up the team in India in the global digital office. I think the students are doing the projects at a very extensive level, especially with the interaction design students. They go into research quite a bit, spending a lot of time and energy on research to really understand and deliver and design what they need. So yeah, I think it's really good that way. From so far, what I've seen is it's pretty comprehensive. I think it kind of connects the dots from where they started to what they're showing at the end of it. I think start students are pretty ready for the industry because I think it's also the exposure that they have in the institute, or the fact that the institute enables that or gives them the agency to shape their education, shape the projects the way they want, things that they want to learn. They have the autonomy to just pick up something, learn something on their own with support from faculty, visiting faculty, the whole network that Strate has. So I think that's quite a bit of an advantage compared to other institutes where probably some things are done in a very set manner versus here where there is more room, more agency, more ground to play for the students.